building a business within a business and another business within that business. That idea I actually got from Dan Locke. He taught, how the mindset of entrepreneurs and how entrepreneurs do this is they have capture pages, payment gateways. They have links driving their traffic to multiple offers, subscriptions, payment gateways, books, courses, events, digital products, physical products, online courses, online masterminds. That is how people are generating multiple streams of income. A lot of people that you will talk to do not actually know it's possible to build multiple businesses and multiple streams of income. People are not aware of the opportunity that is on your smartphone with your smartphone, AI, and you actually doing the work. That is a powerful combination. AI, you and your smartphone, three in one. That is how you can stand out and actually resonate with your audience, bringing them solid value so that people can be like, wow, this is super amazing content that when applied, you can actually see results. You are building, creating, designing your own lifestyle whereby you are serving, impacting, making a contribution to your community, opening people's eyes with your words, with your communication style. Remember, there's only one you that can teach, educate, edify, empower in your unique, specific way. So start your way and continue. Get better. You will make improvement. You can impact. So